Hi everyone, tudo bom? This is Darcy, and today I'm going to talk about one of my favorite modalities of skincare tools, LED masks. And I'm going to be reviewing the Qure Mask, which is a 3-minute LED mask that I have been using for a while. Today I'm going to give a review of the mask and also a review of the serum and also how to incorporate any LED mask with your skincare routine or tools routine. It actually helps your other tools work better, and I'll talk about it in this video as well. So if you want to hear more about it, keep on watching. But before you get to this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video if it's helpful to you, and check the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Now let's get to it. LED stands for light emitting diodes and is basically a type of light that penetrates your skin and helps with collagen production, brightening, wrinkles. Has a lot of great benefits. It was developed by NASA. It's truly one of my favorite modalities because it's so easy to use. You can incorporate in any skincare routine with any tool. Today I'm going to talk about the Qure Mask, which I purchased myself and I have been using it for a while, on and off now. And off the bat, I'll tell you right now, I really enjoy this mask for many reasons, which I'll talk about in this video. One of my favorite things about this mask is that it's only 3 minutes. So this is a great mask to incorporate with your other tools or any skincare routine because it's only 3 minutes. So it's really easy to pop it in before a specific tool or after a tool. And at the end of this video, I'll talk about how can you incorporate this type of mask into your skincare routine. Now let's talk a little bit about the specs of this mask, which are pretty impressive. The type of light that any LED mask has penetrates the skin at different levels. I'll put the graph here so you can see how this light penetrates the skin layer. So this one goes pretty deep because it has infrared, so it helps with collagen production, bruises, or even like injuries to your face because infrared goes really deep. It also has red light, which helps with wrinkles, collagen production, and even has amber that, combining with all those colors, goes very deep into the skin and different layers of the skin to give you even better results for brightening and all kinds of effects. And it also has blue light, which is really great for acne. Through the clinical studies, they claim a 83% of reduction of acne breakouts after 8 weeks, 91% improved skin tone and enhanced smoothness after 12 weeks, and 87% smoother facial wrinkles and fine lines after 12 weeks. And I can personally say I did see results in all those areas when I was using this mask daily, and I only stopped using it daily because I was testing other tools, and as you guys know on my channel, when I test a tool, I stop the other tools. I feel like one of the things that this mask stands out in the market right now is that it can be customized. So this mask is the first one that I've known so far that you can actually use with an app, and you can have different areas of your face customized. Let's say you have a acne on your cheeks, but you want to do a red light treatment on the rest of your face. You can choose just your cheeks to have the blue light, which I think is pretty cool that you can customize it. Put a little photo of the app image here where you can actually select each area of your face that you want to do anti-aging, or that you want to do the blue light, or you can even do your whole face blue light and red light at the same time. So this is completely customizable, so I feel like this is a great plus. And the fact that it's only 3 minutes and you can actually do 2 treatments at the same time for 3 minutes is also really remarkable, and that's one of the reasons I love this mask so much. The app is really easy to use. You can even schedule when you want to reuse this tool, so send you a reminder. So the app is really good. I really enjoy the app, but you do not have to use it with the app to use this mask. If you want to customize it and have different areas of the mask light up, like have blue on the forehead and red everywhere, or if you want to do blue and red at the same time, then you need to use the app. But you do not need the app to actually use the mask. If you are somebody that don't like apps, you can totally just use it as is, and it comes pre-programmed. So the first setting is always going to be, you press this button here, is always going to be the red light. And then if you want to use the second setting, you press it again and it goes into the blue. One of the things that I mentioned on past videos that I don't particularly like about it is that it is hard masks. Even though I like more silicone masks, to me it's pretty comfortable. I find that this stays on my face really well. It doesn't really give me marks. I haven't really noticed any marks. The way to use it is really simple. You wash your face, make sure you use it on a clean face, and then you put the mask on. I personally like to put it on like this, my chin first, the chin first, because that way it doesn't scrape. If you try to do it through your head, the nose part is gonna scrape your nose. So I do it chin and up. and I find that it goes really, really well. Then you press this button here, red light there, you press it. That's the red. To press it again, you get to the blue, and it turns it off. You can use daily for a few weeks, and then you can go into maintenance mode. We also purchased their serum, which is the Qure Serum, and has a lot of great ingredients. It's kind of expensive, so I was a little like hesitant of purchasing because, you know, I have a lot of great skincare, but I wanted to test it out because they said it was great to use after the LED mask. In a clinical trial, it boosts the results by 31% by using the face mask and following with the face serum. And I do like the results I've seen on the serums. I think it really helps with skin texture. I feel like my skin texture itself looks more smooth and the pores look smaller. So it does work. Have amazing actives and ingredients, and I did see results with just a few uses. So it is potent, it does work. It has a lot of great ingredients. I'll put the ingredients that they have on the screen for you guys to see, but the ingredients are really powerful. There's no fragrance added to it, but it has a natural smell from all the actives together. It doesn't linger too long, but it's just something that I don't like. But I do like the results, and I do feel like this works really well, especially if you do it after the mask. It cannot use during the mask, so you want to make sure to apply this after you do your treatment. This mask is great for anybody, really. It's 3-minute treatment, so actually works really well if you're a busy person and don't have time for anything else, or if you are somebody that's suffering from acne and you want to use something that will help you to prevent or deal with breakouts. This is also really great. And I did see results using, especially if I was about to break out, I'll put the blue mode on it and the zit will be gone either the next day or 2 days later. And depending on the size of the zit, or if I caught it on time, it would not even come out. So it's very, very effective for acne. And I feel like it's great too for adult acne because it has both the red and the blue settings. So you have anti-aging and also anti-acne. I love that it's such a short treatment that I can incorporate any part of my skincare routine, or even if I don't have time to do any of my tools, it is something that is really good to have by the bed, and I can just do 3 minutes before bed and I'm done. How do you incorporate the Qure Mask or any LED mask into your skincare routine or tools routine? First of all, skincare. How to incorporate this with your regular skincare. I have a whole video talking about how to get the best benefits from LED mask. You can watch that one to get more tips. But if you're just going to do a simple skincare routine, I would use this right after you wash your face. Wash your face, use the Qure Mask 3 minutes, and then do your toner, serums, and moisturizers. And that would actually make all your other skincare penetrate better. Radio frequency. If you use this with radio frequency, it's a great thing to use after you use your radio frequency because some people may have a little redness after those type of treatments, and radio frequency helps to build collagen, and this helps to build collagen. So using the Qure Mask or any LED mask after your radio frequency treatment would actually increase your results from radio frequency and will help with redness. So if you use radio frequency, you use the LED mask after. Microcurrent. Microcurrent is one of my favorite modalities, and I have so many videos talking about it. It uses electric current to help stimulate the muscle to give you a lift. If you are using a microcurrent tool, you will use the Qure Mask before your microcurrent because it helps to prepare the muscle, stimulate the collagen. So when you use your microcurrent, you actually get a better lift when you use something like the Qure Mask before your microcurrent. EMS. EMS, I have a whole video talking about the difference between EMS and microcurrent. I'll leave that in the description box below. But EMS, just like microcurrent, uses the electrical current to stimulate your muscle. So the LED mask will be definitely used before EMS as well to prepare the muscle, relax it, and give you an even better lift. Microneedling. I don't particularly microneedle myself. I want to start using it. But if you are going to incorporate LED with microneedling, the best way to do is to use it after. So you do your microneedling, make sure your face and the mask is very well sanitized, so that way you're not gonna create any bacteria, and use it after because that will help to heal your microneedling, heal any redness, and help you again build collagen. Those are just some tips to incorporate this mask or any LED mask into your normal routine, but I particularly wanted to give these tips here because something short like this, it's so easy to incorporate with any tools or skincare routine that you have at home, so I highly recommend. I did purchase this mask myself, and I purchased the serum myself as well, but I did reach out to Qure to get you guys a coupon code, and they were nice enough to give me a coupon code, so I'll leave that in the description box below. It will save you a little bit. It is an affiliate link, so I would make a little commission if you choose to purchase this mask through my code, which I really appreciate it because it does go to help my channel. If you click the little arrow on the side, it can go to the description box, and I always have links there with your coupon codes and more information about every product that I review. If you have any questions, make sure to comment below. I love you guys so much. I hope you're healthy and safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.